In today's fast-paced world, achieving and maintaining a healthy weight can be challenging for many people. That's why we created Mitolyn. Mitolyn is a carefully formulated blend of 6 natural herbs and plant-based ingredients designed to support weight management alongside a healthy diet and exercise plan. At the core of Mitolyn are 6 well-known ingredients: maqui, rhodiola, haematococcus, amla, theobroma cacao, and schisandra. While individual results may vary, the ingredients of Mitolyn have been studied for their potential to aid in weight management. When combined with a balanced diet and regular physical activity, Mitolyn offers a convenient capsule form designed to deliver these ingredients consistently throughout the day. Manufactured in the USA in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility, Mitolyn is produced using quality standards that prioritize purity and safety. All ingredients are 100% plant-based, soy-free, dairy-free, and non-GMO, with third-party testing conducted to ensure their quality. There has never been a product like Mitolyn before. Combining these ingredients into one simple formula to support your journey, click on one of the packages below to order your bottles and start incorporating Mitolyn into your healthy lifestyle. We look forward to hearing about your progress.